The KUAFU 240,364,790 AP4393266 240364718 replacement refrigerator crisper shelf frame pan cover is a good choice. It fits Electrolux and Frigidaire refrigerators. This is a replacement for part number 240364729. Our old crisper shelf was like a forgotten kingdom. It was cracked and sad. We needed a new one. This Electrolux Crisper Shelf by KUAFU promised new life. Installation was easy. It snapped right into place. The new shelf felt strong. It was a perfect fit. Furthermore, our vegetables now have a proper home. The refrigerator looks so much better. This Electrolux Crisper Shelf by KUAFU truly revitalized our fridge. Moreover, this crisper shelf is white. It blends seamlessly with our refrigerator's interior. The material feels durable. It seems built to last. We've been using it for a while now. There are no signs of wear. The crisper drawer slides smoothly. It does not stick at all. This replacement part acts as a sturdy roof. It protects the delicate produce below. Consequently, our fruits and vegetables stay fresher longer. This is a big improvement. This Electrolux Crisper Shelf by KUAFU is a true workhorse. It helps keep our food organized. Therefore, we highly recommend this replacement part. It is a cost-effective solution. You don't need to buy a new refrigerator. Just replace the broken part. This KUAFU Crisper Shelf is reliable. It performs its job well. Overall, it's a smart purchase. It will upgrade your fridge. It is a simple fix. It makes a big difference. It brings order to chaos. This shelf is a small hero. Pros: fits perfect, way cheaper than OEM. Exactly what I needed. Perfect fit, more durable than OEM. Exact same size, inexpensive replacement, exact fit perfect, great product, happy with it. Cons: too narrow, not even usable, doesn't come with glass, price was a bit high, not OEM features. KUAFU brand, model 240,364,790 replaces AP 4,393,266 replaces 240,364,718 crisper shelf frame. Pan cover, Electrolux compatible, Frigidaire compatible, replaces 240,364,729 white color. This is a KUAFU brand replacement crisper shelf frame and pan cover for refrigerators. It's white and designed to fit both Electrolux and Frigidaire models. This part, model 240,364,790, can replace several other part numbers, including AP 4,393,266, 240,364,718, and 240,364,729. It helps hold your refrigerator's crisper drawer in place and covers it. This replacement crisper shelf frame is designed for Electrolux and Frigidaire refrigerators, fitting models that use part number 240364729. Many users found it to be a perfect and exact fit, often more durable and much cheaper than the original manufacturer's own part. It's seen as an inexpensive and great replacement. However, some users reported issues with it being too narrow or not even usable. And it doesn't come with the glass shelf. A few also felt the price was a bit high despite being cheaper than OEM.